Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Solana from Gemini to Bitrue in 2025. If you're looking to move your crypto assets between exchanges, this step-by-step tutorial will help you do it safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First off, before you begin, make sure you have active accounts on both Gemini and Bitrue and that you have some Solana in your Gemini wallet. Also, double-check that you're familiar with basic crypto security practices to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account. Once you're in, head to your dashboard and select the Solana asset you want to transfer. This is where you'll initiate the withdrawal process. Step 2. Navigate to the Withdraw or Transfer section in Gemini. You'll need the recipient's wallet address, so let's switch over to Bitrue quickly. Step 3. Log into your Bitrue account and go to your wallet. Find your Solana address, it's usually under the deposit section, and copy it carefully. Remember, accuracy is key here to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Step 4. Back in Gemini, paste the Bitrue Solana address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Solana you want to send, but be mindful of any network fees that might apply. Solana transactions are generally fast, but fees can vary. Step 5. Review all the details on the confirmation screen. Make sure the address and amount are correct, then hit confirm. You'll likely get a confirmation email or notification. Finally, head back to Bitrue and check your wallet to see if the Solana has arrived. It should show up within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. And that's it, you've successfully transferred Solana from Gemini to Bitrue. Always prioritize security by using hardware wallets if possible and verifying addresses twice. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.